early, I will catch the Maria. You will see my mouth will be open, but I will sit through there.
You will see her because
She will go like 5:30. Late, not early. If you go early, na, say you wanna put something. Last time I catch her, right? That time. I don't want to speak her. I will take care of my time. Last time when I pick up, by chance, I see you block my number. I see you. Send me a message. After she opened my message, okay. Where's the other message? When I sent you, they have one is now two. Why? Yes, she blocked me. No, she had boyfriend Pakistani traffic. Yeah, I know. Really, when he walking now like this, like wakala.
Puno siguro siya kaninang umaga, no?
Ha?
Puno siya ng umaga.
This morning, we are good.
I drop only one person.
Good.
No.
Hindi kasi nagre-reply sa akin. Susungot talaga to.
She messaged me last night, 7 o'clock. Then you see.
Kasi sabi ko nga dapat maaga ako. Eh nung nag-message ka sa akin, sabay na tayo. Ayun, sabi ko, sabay na kami ni Ate Sol, 8 o'clock.
May
Ayun.
bisita kasi kami, kaya late na rin ako. Sabi ko, ayaw na pala. Sorry.
Eh ako naman.
May bisita kami, ito pa rin.
Ah,
Ako yung kaibigan ko sa school. Tapos ngayon yung mga kasama ko dati sa bahay. Yan.
ako, tahimik ang mundo ko ngayon.
Kaya oras na, tsaka hindi ako makatulog ko, Cherry.
Bakit?
Walang hot flash ko.
Ah,
Yung magme-menopause naman.
oo.
Meron ka po ngayong topic na to.
Oo.
Hindi na ako nakakatulog.
Ganun nga ba yun daw, no?
Ha?
Ganun nga ba daw yun pagka malapit
Oo,
na?
tama ako.
Ang dami mong...
Kasi sobrang init.
Oo.
Nakapangus.
Hmm.
Hindi nga sana pumunta dito. Nahiya lang ako. Kaya sasabihin ko, I will go much photo. Sasabihin ko ganyan, o 3.
Ilang taong ka na ba?
48.
Ah.
Alam mo yun na kahit na hapon nga sabi ng kaibigan ko, namibili kami. Siya.
Finish your work 5 o'clock, okay?
5.
5 o'clock.
Why?
Malalaman ko pagdating ko sa bahay. Pagka may tao doon or wala.
2 o'clock.
I will ask her, can I go home 2 o'clock? Because she want me to take care of the baby.
Pag walang tao sa bahay, alauna, uwi na ako. Alauna makakauwi
Okay,
ako.
then finish 5 o'clock.
No! I don't want 5.
No, I want to fix that TV. Stupid lady. If I go to her house, I lock the door. Yeah, no, lose my money. If I meet him, want to go another, she doing business also in the partition. Business.
At saka pag maaga yata, sobrang traffic, no?
Ha?
Sobrang traffic pag maagang maaga.
Oo.
Kasi may pasok na. Bagay mas okay yung ganitong mga oras. Ang problema ko ngayon, pag nalipat ng Alforjan, di ko pa alam kung paano pumunta doon.
Mag-ano ka lang, mag-metro.
Paano mag-metro papunta doon?
Expo 2020.
Tapos,
Tapos mayroon yung Alcott niya. Bababa ka na.
ibig sabihin, yung metro na papuntang Expo,
Oo.
may
Papunta na yan, oh.
papunta na yon.
Oo.
Tapos Alforjan Metro Station,
Oo.
ganon. Ganon.
Diba yun na sa may Discovery, yung Alcott dyan?
Oo.
Oo, yun.
Sa may papuntang sila Alforjan Pavilion.
Ayun. Ano lang. Saan? Hindi ko rin alam kung saan. Pero mayroong metro station na Alcott dyan.
Pagbaba ko ng Alforjan Metro Station, ang hanapin ko naman ngayon, yung address, yung pinaka location nila ni Sir. Yun naman ang pag-aralan ko kung paano ako makapunta doon.
I-search mo sa Google kung paano. Ibigay mo sa akin yung address, sasabihin ko sa'yo kung paano mo gagawin.
Hindi ko pa nga na yung address eh.
Hingi mo sa sir mo para...
Kasi nung pumunta ako doon, wala akong data. Hindi ko na-send yung location.
Send mo sa akin yung location para...
Sinasabi kong kay Sir, send niya sana sa akin yung location para pag-aralan ko eh. Hindi naman niya sinisend sa akin.
Sabihin sa'yo ng ano eh, pag sinerch mo sa Google, how to go this area.
Hindi naman niya sinisend sa akin kasi. Loko rin to si Sir. Ano ba itong mga daanan na to? Parang gubat. Grabe yung mga building dito, no? Buti ang dami pa rin nakatira dito, no? Kahit
Mura
parang...
dyan eh.
Ha?
Mura dyan. Hey,
Ay! Pida!
Hi, hi,
What?
hi.
what are you doing?
Hi, we're gonna safari.
Kasi medyo malayo, no?
Air passenger. Air passenger. Sabi mo,
Tangga, I will waste your time. No need to waste time. Walang ang passenger mo, wala ka rin. Don't take an hour. No have passenger, then you're walking in the park. No, خلاص.
After you sleep.
No need to sleep. Someone message me, for example, I need now. So,
dami.
okay, I will come. Now I say, okay, I will come. I will go down here, then I will go there. I will waste time for nothing.
That is intention. All the Filipina run away! Run away, run away.
Miskin, Pida. Miskin.
The one lady is an Alrina. Will be much fun there. Will be much fun. See?
Pero ako pagka ganun, ba't naman tatakasan?
10 a.m.
Pagkatapos,
Where?
kinabangan yung tao eh. Tatakasan, hindi ka magbabayad.
I go now.
Villanova.
I go also. Go up there. Just let it know. For example, this is Mrs. Okay, come and pick up me.
Ay,
So, I'm 2 hours I wasted for the one trip. Gago. Stupid. 30 minutes, 40 minutes.
yung mga gamit na ano,
You will waste time. You will waste time.
yung mga gamit na binigay ni sir sa akin, paano ko kukuhanin?
I will waste time. I will not use proper
At
time.
kung saan ko dadalhin.
Why? If I'm looking, then I will rather remain sa the application. I will not.
Anong gamit?
You know, when
Ano
I
ba eh?
message you, 15 minutes I will come. I just join another line. I'm in this road, okay, bye. Go down the road.
Ano yun, be? Isang malaking ref.
Oo, malaking rep.
Oo. Gas range,
Ay,
dishwasher, tsaka microwave oven.
Aka na ng microwave.
Oy,
Ang laki ng ref, be. Mataas pa sa akin.
ganun din yung rep
I
sa
don't
akin.
have
Ang lapad pa ng
another
ref.
If you need,
Malaki pa sa akin. Eh, halos bago pa lahat ng mga gamit. Di naman kasi masyadong gamit na gamit. Tsaka, lagi kong
Benta
nanilinis.
mo.
Eh, naghanap nga ng ano, wala namang binabarat lang naman nila, halos hingiin na lang.
Kaya ka. Microwave, kung ibebenta mo sa akin, magkano?
Malaki yun.
You will buy?
Tsaka maganda.
Microwave 200 gram.
Ay, ito po, 200 naman. I will buy new at 200.
Salaja. Salaja. Fridge.
Fridge.
Salaja.
Ah, yeah.
500 dirham.
No, I will not buy 500.
Why? Why not 500 dirham?
I don't want big. I want only small that can go inside.
No need. I said, what would you do?
Because we have, you saw in my house, we have
You will
fridge, big
you will
one.
make dancing there?
No need, I don't want.
Yung microwave, madali kong mabitbit yun. Magamit ko yun sa room. Ang problema ko yung ref, yung gas range, at saka yung dishwasher.
Benta mo.
Yung dishwasher nga, parang sabi ko, parang di ko na lang kuhanin kasi alam wala namang, hindi mo naman magagamit yun eh.
Lagi,
Kasi pang
ibenta mo kahit mga 200.
pang mayaman lang.
I-post mo. I-post mo
Try
sa
ko nga.
Facebook. Lahat. Ay, ba 1,000 lahat yan eh. Ibigay mo.
Oh,
At least may pera ka.
i-package no.
Oo. Sabi mo 1,500. Pag tumaw na 1,000, go, get it.
Oo.
Sabi mo gano'n.
Kaya nga.
Okay. Dali ini now. So,
Well,
Sakwa.
sasabi ako gusto ko maaga ko. Ito kayo walang tulog. Sasabihin. Sa taon mo.
Eh, anong oras ka uwi?
Wala na, masasabi ko sa kanya. Sabi ko, lilinisin ko ng bahay mo, hindi na muna ako malantya. Eh, kailangan ng uniforme ng mga bata, yun lang.
Ayun lang. Ako yung,
Baka nga alas 4 ako.
basta ako pagdating ko ng bahay, malalaman ko pagka,
The baby, really 4.
Just delay little bit time now.
Hey, bida, I
Look at
want to
3
see.
o'clock.
Ha?
3:30. Oh, 3:30.
laya.
3:30 I need to get out. Hindi ko kailangan. Really, no. I want to touch this lady. What's she thinking?
How much her utang?
150. 150.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, that's
This Filipino need 150. Yes.
Where is her villa? I will go there and I will say, I am the girlfriend of Vida. Give me the 150.
I know the last time when we
Yeah, me also, I don't know.
Ilan ba may utang
Ah, I
sa
know.
Ilan may utang sa
My
kanya?
neighbor said, Maria name. I will ask her. Where is the villa? I will ask her. No, she said, I have friend here, Maria. Near here.
don't make friend that lady married cherry blossom. You know cherry blossom? Cherry blossom. Like 3 years I know this lady.
Cherry blossom.
Before she helped my sonny boyfriend, okay? I said, okay, no problem. Just show me the picture.
Pangalan ko pa.
Secret. I know, show me, blah, blah, blah. Yeah. Okay, he get money for Maria. I don't know their relation. We don't want to interfere. Then she do something. He say, I hate you. He not come to her. Then she giving 1,000 dirham to her boyfriend. Then she crying in my car. I'm the one who to call her. Hey, help me, your kabayan. It's my kabayan. Just our same language. I don't know where he living, where he stay or what. I say, this is social media, bro, right? When I ask you, show me the picture.